My name is Lemuel Fesiu. I am the general manager here at Quality Grinding. We manufacture parts for the military and for aerospace applications and defense applications. I worked with other solar companies for my home project and had a pretty bad experience, so I wanted to find someone that was more professional and more organized, so I found Tenco. They have been extremely responsive. They have been on time. They've helped us every step of the way. They've educated us on things that we didn't really know. They have been extremely professional as well. I would absolutely encourage anyone to contact Tenco Solar for their commercial needs. They have been, from top to bottom, a great outfit to work with. I couldn't say enough good things about them.
With over 3 decades of industry experience and unparalleled customer care, Tenco Solar is your premier partner for commercial solar installation throughout California. To get a free quote for your business, visit us at tencosolar.net.